Hey Gucci, what is adventure riding to you?
To me, adventure riding is finding a new road that you've never been through and then going deeper in the forest and reaching at the top of the mountain. See the blue sky and the green forest is good combination. Most of adventure bikes they are so heavy on the top, but with the right mods, any bikes can be easy to control.
If you could only choose one item to protect your bike, what would you choose?
One item that I would have to choose is definitely handlers, because when you fall in and drop the bike, breaking a bunch of switch over here, the lever, the throttle, you have to walk back to the home. I don't want to do that.